Hey, hi, hello, this is Sarvana from A4 Analytics, and in this video we're gonna see about why the external tools like DAX Studio, Tabular Editor, ALM toolkits are disappearing or faded out in Power BI Desktop. Stay tuned. So in 2020, Power BI released a feature called external tools, where we can use those external tools to track the query or to do some other stuff. So usually we go to external tools in this menu, and if we installed the other tools, we can able to see those tools over here in external tools menu. So the DAX Studios, Tabular Editor, and so those are installed in my local machine, as you can see. So I have DAX Studio, but you can see here that this DAX Studio icon is faded out. So why? What is the reason behind it? So I try to close the window, close the application, and open it again. So this is going to take some time, little bit of time, not much. And easy. So I try to open the application again, and still I can't able to see see those applications. It's still faded out. So what is the reason behind it? And if you are in the situation like this, so you have to do a simple thing. So Power BI now usually release several preview features in every month, so in this month, so we got new applications. We need to go for our options and settings, options. So in the option we will have a preview feature, and you see there is a new feature Power BI has released in the preview called store dataset using enhanced metadata format. So we have to enable this to see the external tools now. So I'm going to enable this, and it asks you for a restart. That's fine. So we can restart. So I don't want to save it. And then open the application again. And after the restart, after enabling the feature, if you go to the external tools, you can see the DAX Studio, Tabular Editor, other things will get enabled. So you have to enable the preview feature in order to use the DAX Studio. And even though if you try to upgrade it, it's not going to help. So that is the situation. Along with that, if these tools, the DAX Studio, Tabular Editor, is not even appeared in the external tools, so these things are disappeared, totally disappeared in the external tools. So in that case, you have to upgrade the external tools. So let's say for a DAX Studio, if it is not there in the external tools, even though you have in your local system, so you need to upgrade that application. So if you do that, you can able to see the DAX Studio again. And thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comments below, and I'm very much happy to answer your questions. Have a good day. See you. Bye.